So in this video we will add the rooms. It's mean that we will do the CRUD operations for the room. So let's start it for the room. And first we will make the migration. Partition make migration make model, and model name is room hyphen m. To generate a migration for that, go to the create rooms, and the create rooms has four fields. One for the it will be string, and the string has room number. The second one is for category, room category. It will be origin id, has room underscore category underscore id with constraint categories on delete cascade. If we delete the room, if we delete the category, the room will be deleted automatically. So the second one is long text. It will be a description, and dollar table has integer, and it will be the room charge, CHRAGE. This is done. Format the document. Now go to the model, room.php model. Write here protected dollar table equal to rooms, protected dollar fillable equal to it will be room number, room category id, room category id, and the second third one is description, and the last one has room charge. Great. Now format document. Okay, let's make also the relation for that public function category. One bed, one room has many category, one category has many room, but the room belong to one category. Return dollar this has belongs to category class. It will be room category class has cat room category. This is perfect. Let's see here. It's room category. Good job. Now let's make a controller for that. PHP artisan make controller, and controller and admin has bed manager. Let's take the name manager slash room controller. Let bed, it is bed and bed the name errors, so we will do fix later. First we will do the functionality. Public function function, and function name has index, and index we will list it. Room has listed latest, and get return view admin.room.list. This is done. Format document. Now go to public function, and the function name has create, and we not pass here a compact has rooms. So now we will render here the categories. So the has categories equal to room category latest, and we will get. So import the model, return the view admin dot room dot create compact room categories, and change this to this. Let's duplicate this one for the update. Okay, it will be easy. And change to edit dollar id, and dollar room equal to room has find or fail dollar id, and pass here the room, just simple, and change to update. Now let's put for the create function, I mean store function. Public function store has dollar request request dollar request has request dollar validate equal to dollar request has validate, and we will pass here the title, not title, room number required, and room category underscore id has also required, and room and description also required, and last one has room charge, room charge required. This is done. Now let's save this. Room has create, and create pass the validate variable, and return to underscore route admin dot room dot list with success, and pass the message Room create successfully. This is done. Format the document, copy this function and paste it here. Change to update, pass the ID here, and find our fail by ID. Find our fail $ID has update. Just simple. Pass here to update successfully. Now let's copy these two things and let function further delete. Public function delete and pass here ID and change this and remove this. This is done. Room crud has done. Format. Now go to the web.php file and add this room controller, just simple, and remove this category, this and this. Perfect. Format the document. Now duplicate one from them. So we will duplicate the notice because it has already text area. So notice and we will change this to room and okay, change notice to room R room. Change this notice to room and it has title. So change this to room number and also change this to room number. This is date to change is the room charge and copy paste change to charge and this is number because we put the and this is not room, this is the description and description. Perfect. Now let the number of category. So go to the create branch, copy this, so paste it here and change to the branch. We will rename to room and branch it will room from category ID format the document is perfect. Now go to from this copy and go to the update this control and change to notice to room and also change the notice to room and what are we missing, just change this to our dollar room has room, remove this. Okay, and the last thing we will select option and dollar category has id equal dollar room category underscore id, so it will by default select it if you selected one in a database. This is done. Now php artisan migrate, go to the list and change notice to room ROOM room. Also this notice to room and ID sorry room number has a room category and room category and room charge. These are enough. Room number category has name and room charge. This is done. Now go to the sidebar and change this notice to room has less. Go to the view and let's check it out. Click on the room, throw the error rooms, not a room. Let's change it to rooms. Rename and change to S. Let reload again. Add room, throw the error category, not a category, at category is this one. Add S and also add S in update. Also add S here. Okay, now reload again. Again the error room categories. Let's go to the product, the room controller. Room categories. Sorry, we pass like that. Room categories, and also pass this to here because here we also throw the error. Now enter the room number has 101, category as AC room, charge has 3000 per month, and description, this is description, and submit. Room add successfully. Now edit the room. It is 30,000 of one room of AC. Wow, this is 30,000. If you click on delete, the room crud is done. So just bed and assigned bed are left. We will do it later. Thank you.